Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my creative room. Hope everybody's staying safe out there in this lockdown quarantine. But I want to give you guys something to feel good about and look forward to this summer too. And today I'm going to show you guys how I made this beat right here. So the first thing that I did was I started off with this chord sample that I found right here. And then I dropped an EQ on it. And then I side-chained it to the kick. And for the drums, I came up with this kick, this snare, and this hi-hat. And for the drum pattern, I came up with this drum pattern right here. So I added a variety of hi-hats just to keep the rhythm bouncy and change the velocity in each hi-hat. This is how it sounds like before the velocity change. And this is how it sounds like after the velocity change. And then I dropped an EQ on the hi-hats. And for the bass, I came up with this sample. Threw it on the MIDI controller, EQ'd it, and dropped in a Fab Filter Q on it. And this is how it sounds like when you put it all together. Now this beat is a collaboration with an amazing artist. Her name is Gabby. Shout out to Gabby for getting on the vocals on this one.
Pull up in my ride, yeah. In my ride, yeah. Pull up in my ride. In my ride, yeah. Cruising, cruising, yeah, yeah. Cruising, cruising, yeah. Pull up in my ride.
Well, that concludes today's video, guys. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions about the production, leave a comment down below. Let's collab. Let's make some stuff happen. See you guys on the next video, and I'm going to leave you guys off with a song. Let's go. Peace. Have a great day.
I don't want to talk no more, yeah. I don't want to talk. Just want to hit the floor, yeah. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk no more, yeah. I don't want to talk.